Did you know you can add coconut milk to your condensed milk to make your condensed milk toffee? All right, so into a pot, go in with some butter or vegetable oil. Make sure it melts, then you go in with your condensed milk. Use as much as you want, okay, depending on the quantity you want to be preparing. Yes, make sure it's on low heat and go in with your coconut milk. So I extracted this coconut milk at home, okay, using my juicer. So you can do that as well. You have to continue stirring this. You do not want to leave it on the fire just like that, else it will get burnt and some parts will be darker than the other. We want it to be very, very uniform. So you continue stirring, you see it bubbling like this. Don't worry, just continue stirring, okay? Just continue stirring. Make sure you are cleaning the sides of your pan, okay? So those places don't get burnt too fast, else they will just get into your toffee and your toffee will have some um rough texture. Yes, we want it to be very, very smooth. Continue stirring, okay, until you achieve your desired color you want and also the consistency. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Do not forget to also like, share your thoughts in your comments if you see this video very, very helpful. Okay, so you continue to stir, don't leave it like I said. At this stage, just take some part of this and then you put it into cold water. If you put it into the cold water, after it cools down, just take it and have a taste of it. If it's chewy or it's crunchy, anyhow you want it, if it is to your taste and your preference, just go ahead, spread margarine on your work surface and leave it this way. Make sure you flatten it. For me, I didn't use my hand too much, okay, my palms. I just flatten it like this and then I shape it in a way that if I cut, it will still look beautiful. Yeah, so I just did something like this and then I use my knife to just divide it into my desired shapes and sizes. So also if you can't do it this way, just look for a baking paper, okay, and then you put it on it and then with your rolling pin you just roll it out, okay. If there is a baking paper on it with your rolling pin, when you roll it out you get it very smooth and flat, okay, till you get your desired thickness. And this I'm just going to put the knife across it and then cut it to my desired shape. You do not want it to cool down entirely before you cut, okay, else it will become very hard and you might not be able to cut them at all. So make sure it's still a bit hot before you go ahead to cut it. And then you just package it or share it among your kids and you have a feel of coconut in your condensed milk toffee. Okay. I did not add nutmeg, and that is because I want to have a feel of my coconut flavor in the condensed milk. Okay, toffee. I do not want anything interrupting with my coconut flavor. All right, so now our toffee is just ready to be enjoyed, and I hope you find this video very, very helpful and you are going to be trying this at home. See you on the next one. Bye.